Welcome to Tesla's Super Destinations,
where we review Tesla's charging infrastructure and get to know the cool people there.
Today we're pointing positively towards the 5-point Supercharger in Santa Barbara, California.
Let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Santa Barbara, California, where they have 16 Superchargers. I just want to thank all of you guys for hanging out with us. You know what to do to support the channel. There's a like button, there's a subscribe button. And if you know anyone that wants to hang out with us on this journey, make sure you share the content with them. So here are my initial impressions. First thought, initial thought. I'm in another outdoor strip mall parking lot, but it seems like they have a nice variety of food, so I'm okay with that. Initial feelings. Well, there's a feeling of excitement not being at this Supercharger specifically, but this being part of my 101 road trip. Now, initial concerns, no concerns whatsoever, so just hang tight for the review and thank you so much. Let's give our guest Zella our ear so she can tell us about the area. Now, what are your impressions of this charging area?
This charging area is good. I like this one. So if you walk just a short distance, about a block, there's a few places to eat over there. There's a Blaze Pizza, and then there were a couple juice bars and things at the next block over.
Fantastic. Now, what are some selling points of this supercharging area besides the stuff you already mentioned?
Well, it's quiet over here. The street is not super busy, crazy, and it is nice to just be able to walk over to a spot that isn't that busy and get some food.
Fantastic. If this lot didn't have these superchargers, would you still come?
To this shopping center? Yeah, it's a nice environment.
A full star for chargers, 16 of them at 250 kV 24/7. Half a star for bathrooms, 378 feet away inside Blaze Pizza. A full star for safety, well-lit outdoor parking. A full star for food and beverage, there's coffee, juice, smoothies, local and chain eateries. Half a star for cool factor, this is your basic outdoor strip mall stop. This Santa Barbara Supercharger gets a 4.0 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions, 0.2 miles from the 101 freeway, State Street exit. It's literally next to the freeway. Let's give our guest Zella the final word. What was the coolest thing someone has ever done for you, Zella?
Oh my goodness. I'm a teacher, and a year ago somebody brought me unannounced lunch, and it was really yummy at a place that I loved, and they didn't know I loved it, so that was it.
You knew who brought you the lunch?
I did, yeah. But Fantastic. Just out of the blue, they brought it for me one day.
That's really sweet. Now, who do you admire the most?
Admire the most? I think my kids, because they're navigating this world that's very complicated with a lot of input, and they're doing a good job with it. I definitely admire them.
By chance, are one of those kids inside the vehicle right now?
I'm not going to say.
All right. Maybe younger brother, perhaps.
Perhaps.
Okay, do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there, Zella?
Live life every day to the fullest, with a smile on your face, because happiness is a choice.
Thank you so much. We'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Congrats! You made it to the end. Comment your electric thoughts and share with your circle of trust.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
See you at our next super destination.
if you worked for Elon Musk, Zella, what would you be doing for him?
I would be running the show secretly and telling him what to do.
Nice. I like that.